Hello and hi everyone. Today I want to present Business Statistics Assignment and Code Courses AFT 2103, in Lecture 1 Tutorial 1. And this our group member. So let's dig in. The objective we study business statistics is to use or practice the term of statistical in our daily life, which is collect and analyzes the data and make the conclusion. Beside that, we can practically learn before this and apply the concept of statistics in business world. For example, do some questionnaire and get some feedback from customer for improvement our product. The source of data that we use is type of data and type of variable. There have two type of data, such as primary data and secondary data. This study, we using the secondary data to continue our task. Secondary data means that data already recorded by other person and we use it again as our data or project. Furthermore, for the type of variable, there have qualitative and quantitative variable. The qualitative variable are the variable that cannot be counted. For the quantitative variables can measure and calculate. For example, number of students that take the subject statistics. Data arrangement. Data arrangement for years is we use from 1982 to 2013 because complete the sample data is 30. The total labor force is 17,541, and for employed is 17,087, and for outside labor force 453, and for unemployed is 8,911, and for labor force participation rate is 1977. For unemployed is 84. Measure of central tendency. Labor force is mean at 587.63, and median at 524.5, and mode at 449.25. For employed is mean at 573.63, and median at 510.5, and mode at 435.25. For outside labor force is mean at 298.4, and median at 320.5, and mode at 347.76. For unemployed is mean at 14.88, and median at 13.77, and mode at 13.13. Measure of variation. Labor force is range at 86. And variance at 56,124.2, and standard deviation at 56,124.2. For employed is range at 86, and variance at 53,695.9, and standard deviation at 53,695.9. For outside labor force is range at 28.2. And variance at 12,583.6, and standard deviation at 12,583.6. For unemployed is range at 6.6, and variance at 75.43, and standard deviation at 75.43. Measure of position. Labor force is first quartile is 460, and third quartile at 701.9. and interquartile range at 241.9. For employed is first quartile is 446, and third quartile at 687.9, and interquartile range at 241.9. For outside labor force is first quartile is 275.4, and third quartile at 405.2 and interquartile range at 12.8. For unemployed is first quartile is 15.6, and third quartile at 17.2, and interquartile range at 1.6. Graphical method. We use polygon graph and histogram graph for labor force data. Of data distribution. Shape of data distribution, it is skewed to the right. Result SPSS. This is result SPSS for labor force, employed, unemployed and outside labor force to find measure of central tendency, measure of variation, measure of position, and Pearson correlation. Conclusion. From what we can conclude that, we can develop necessary skills and clearly understand to apply appropriate concepts, solving statistic problem and identify the confidence interval, measures of variation and the position. Besides, it is also enabled to analyze the data that we find and solve the problem. Beside that, we also can conclude that this assignment will definitely use help us from now and in years to come. Thank you so much for listening our presentation.